Hi, this is the screen recording of the output method where we are going to use the OCR engine to convert a text image into a string. So if you can see over here, this is actually the engine and this is actually the screenshot of the text which we are actually trying to convert. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how this can be done. Okay, so what I'll go ahead, I'll actually do a new recording of the same. As usual, go to process, output, give any name, capture the text images, that is bitmap, PNG. Okay, as usual, we will start with the sequence. We will put a message box here, good practice. Put in your name so that you know that this has been done by you. Okay, now next is that we will have to find out a suitable text image. So what I did over here, I already created one. So let me just pause the recording and try to locate where exactly I had actually created and kept. And then, okay, I finally located the file. This is actually the file. So we are going to scrap this and get individual string out of it. Okay. So let's do that. So type OCR. So you will say get OCR text. Just double click on that. Wait for the dependencies to get updated. Okay. And then we have to indicate on the screen which particular file you need to kind of capture. Pretty much standard. So we will actually capture this particular file. Okay. And then we will have to go to properties over here and put the name of the variable into which we are going to put our put the captured strings. The strings will be the image converted into ASCII. Okay. So one of the easiest way to actually put, or a shortcut way to put a variable here, is to do a control K. Once you do a control K, just put output text. Go, you see over here, it kind of creates that. Instead of going to data manager, you can also do it in the same way. Okay, so once uh, the conversion is done into that string, let us go and put, we will have to view that, right? So one of the way to view that would be to display that in the message box. So here is the output text. Okay. And then there is another way also you can do that, which is to write it into a line or in the output screen. Okay. So we will write into the output screen, use variable, save. Okay. Then again we will say end of process. It's a good practice. So you know that your process has completely executed. Okay, so let's see what the issues are. So there is no issue, everything is all fine. And so let's run it and see what happens. So we'll go to design. Okay, before that, I think let us give it a timeout of around 2 seconds. And also this message box where you are actually displaying everything, the rather the converted image. There also maybe give this thing of 2 seconds. Okay, it'll actually save you the hassle of clicking the continue or OK button every time. Nice to have. Should always look for opportunities to save time. So start of image capture goes there. Okay, let's see whether it has been able to capture. No, it did not, and it has crashed. Why has it crashed? Okay, if you see over here, the message is invalid API screen specified, API key specified, sorry. So that means that we do not have the license to operate this particular image converter. Okay, so as I was mentioning in the class, see, you have like 3 or 4 image, what you call engine that you need to use to convert this text. So some of them are licensed, some of them free. So this apparently looks like this particular one is not free. So how to fix that? Very easy. Just go ahead and delete this. Once you delete this, see, okay. So apparently looks like there is some recording issue. So some part of the previous recording did not get captured. So I am redoing it. So what you need to do is you have to delete this particular engine. So it's very simple. Just go ahead and just press the delete and then again drop an activity by typing OCR engine. You see over here, there are so many OCR engines that has been. Okay, let me go back here and type so you will get a better picture. Yeah, see. So Tesseract was actually the engine which worked, and I think Google, I think we had UiPath document OCR which did not work. So let me go ahead and drop this one. You have to drop it exactly over here. Okay, once that is done, it should do the capturing. Okay, so let me do the running now. Okay, so it ran and it gave the output. Okay, so in the output, we had some extra characters also. Okay, so what we have to do is to re-indicate what exactly needs to be captured. To do the re-indication, it's very simple. Just go here and just again say indicate on the screen, and we will have to tell to kind of capture this particular area. The text is actually in this particular area. Otherwise, what's happening? It is actually going ahead and maybe converting few of these, trying to convert few of these characters here. Okay, so the way to do it is just pause, make sure your screen is uncluttered, wait for the thing to, yeah, now press F3. Just tell that this actually is the area of the image that you are interested in. Okay, with that, let's see what happens. Start of image capture. Okay, hopefully, yeah, that's right. So it captured this area. Okay, so that's all I wanted to kind of show you. Please do this exercise with all the other remaining, try with other remaining engines over here. Just delete this engine, try with all these engines, see which engines are actually free and can work. Then try with some of the interesting images, text images, which you can find online. Thank you.